Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create sales receipts in QuickBooks. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time, so let's just jump straight into it. The first step is to open sales receipt form. From the left menu, click the plus new and choose sales receipt. This form is used when a customer pays you immediately at the point of sale. Step 2. Enter customer information. Select the customer's name or create a new one on the spot. QuickBooks will autofill any saved info. Step 3 is to fill out sales information. So the sales received dates, the payment method, and of course the deposit too. Step 4 is to add product or services sold. Now under the product or service column, you want to select what was sold. Enter quantity, rates, and tax. QuickBooks will calculate the total automatically. Step 5 is to review and save. Double check all information and then click Save and Send to email the receipts, or you can choose Save and Close to finish. A pro tip: sales receipt instantly updates your income and bank balances. There's no need to create separate payments or deposits. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.